Yo, this your boy Superior Join, man. Hey, I'm back in the game with another video. Hey, today we're gonna be doing a mid ball fade, and yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, I already know before I do anything, before I even start the cut, I always brush down the hair. So gotta keep the hair all even and stuff before I start the cut. Now, after I do that, I'm gonna come in with my trimmers and I'll create my ball line. Get everything cleaned up. That's when I do my ball line. And I know some people, when they do their ball line, they like to leave the hair at the bottom, then begin their fade. See me, I like to do the ball line all the way around. Then I clean everything up. The left hair at the bottom, I clean it up with my trimmers, as you see right here, and get everything bald before I start my fade. Now when I start this fade, I'm using my one guard close to bring all the hair down first when I do my mid ball fade. So I'm just taking everything down first, then I'm gonna begin my fade. Alright, the first step on my fading process, I'm gonna do a no guard open all the way around the head. That's for my first guideline. And you'll see me continue to brush everything down after I do the every step that I do. You'll see me continue to brush everything down so everything can be nice and neat. Alright, for my second step, I'm gonna come with my one guard close and do my second step on my fading process. So like I say, brush everything down, keep everything nice and neat, and go about a half an inch. And that's your second step to the mid ball fade process. Now for my third step, I'm gonna go ahead and just get a one guard open. I'm gonna open it up and go about a half an inch to blend everything in. I know everything gonna be blended. I still got more steps to do, but that's when I do my mid ball phase. I use that one in or one open. So I can go ahead and blend the top in with the bottom. Now for this step, I'm gonna use a 0.5 guard close to get the lines out. As you see, I'm pointing at the line, and it's gonna help me get it out. It may not get the line all the way out, as I say in all my videos, but it's gonna help to soften up that line so it can blend in with the fade. Since I already got the 0.5 guard, I like to open it up too and do a little bit more blending at the top too when I did with the 1 guard open at the top. But you'll see me just using my corners of my blade, and I'm just actually thinning, just using it to blend everything in together. You'll also see me close my half guard and hit just the top of the hair with the braids and the fade beginning it, just to blend it in a little bit more. And like I said, you see me brushing it down and just trying to blend everything in together. And don't worry about the line at the bottom. I'm gonna show you how to get the line at the bottom too, so that ain't even worry about it. You gotta worry about that. Now to get that line out the bottom, you gotta use the same thing that you put that line in with. So I like to come back in with my trimmers and hit that line, just the line. Don't go up nothing. Just hit that line. Hit the line where I already put my trimmers in at, where I put the ball line in at, so I can just get that blending out. Now for this part, I'm just coming back doing my detail work just to blend everything in together. Just, you see that line right there? I'm just using my corners to get that line out. That's it. Just blending everything in. All this is just detail work that I'm just doing right now. Like I said, it's plenty of ways to do this fade, but as y'all see the way that I'm doing, I like to fade up, then come back down. So yeah, like I said, I'm just doing detail work right now. When I start my lineup process, I like to do a one guard close to knock the hair down in the front and make everything even. Then before I do my lineup. I know a lot of people like use holding spray for their prep, but since I'm doing it natural, I just use like some alcohol to make everything clean and stuff, so everything can be crispy and all that. And I blow dry it down too, blow dry and brush it down so everything can be even too. Now I do my lineup using them Andis GTX EVO. I think that's what they call. But yeah, I like to start from the middle. Then I like to work from the my right side. Then I come back to my left side. Then I work back to my right side. That's how I do my lineup process, as y'all see right here. And I know some parts of this video is gonna be kind of blurry when I'm doing the lineup, and my arm's gonna be in the way as I'm showing you. But as you see, I just did my vertical bars. Then I try to do my vertical bars and match everything up at the top. But yeah, I apologize for some of this stuff, some of the footage of being blurry. But yeah, you can still see it, but like I said, I apologize for some of it being blurry. And on this cut, I did use the Barber Magic pencil just to make it a little bit more sharper and stuff. You'll see me like it's faster, but you'll see me putting the pencil on. But yeah, just to make it a little sharper, that's all. And I'll come back with my trimmers and blend everything in. Like I said, I'm sorry for the video being a little blurry, but you'll see me blending it in, blending the pencil in. YouTube, this the finished product. Like I say, if you like this video, make sure you do a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and send it to your friends too so they can know about me. And we at 200 subscribers. Like I said, I appreciate everybody support me and watching my videos and stuff. But yeah, this your boy Superior Julian, and I'm out of here. Let's go.